It's been a cold winter, I'ma switch it for the summer. I ain't packing, but still, suckers run for cover. I mean the sunshine, cause I know I got mine. Pimping is a short thing, buried in my bloodline. They say to hell with me, better prepare really. They can step to me, my rap is medicine. You don't wanna F with me, I'm always fresh with it. On my best weekly, you ain't stressing.
What's up, my kings and queens? It's your boy, I'm back in here. Kings 23 Kicks, man, just on the road early Sunday morning. Your boy's gonna get it. So today what I got for you guys is I'm on my way to the H-Town for Sneaker Summit. So had to jump on the road, jump on the highway, go get this footage for you, boy. Finna go make some connections, you know, all of that good old stuff. But before I get there, I'm actually gonna go to I think it's Pasadena, which has the Nike clearance store. Now I know you guys have seen me do vlogs before with the Nike outlets and stuff like that, and I actually enjoy doing it because, you know, your boy love getting steals and deals. I'm just saying, if you can get the shoes for the low, why not go? You feel me what I'm saying? So the whole point is, this is a little different. It's not like your typical Nike store. At least that's what I'm getting from it. It's actually supposed to be a clearance store, and it's supposed to be bigger. So I'm expecting for things to be a little better, maybe a better selection, and some steals and deals. So your boy on the highway finna go make it happen, and that's what we got going today. I will say we still have the Cool 4 Grade giveaway going. You have until the end of the month. I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers, and like I said, if I get up to 500 subscribers, that's when I'm going to do the giveaway. That's when I'm going to grab. Really, AT-Willer just jumped in front of me. Where we do that shit? That's where I'm going to vlog it. Crazy part is, either way, I'm going to vlog it because I'm going to get the Cool 4 Grades for myself. So it's up to you guys whether I grab a pair for whoever wins, that random person. I will say this. You know what? I take that back. I'm going to say that for another video. My people, I'm back. So I made it to Pasadena, and I made it to the Nike clearance store. Well, you can't even see the sign. I was gonna show you. So I messed around and got behind a rabbit and got here early. So I've been here like 30 minutes. I mean, I'm here 30 minutes early, so I got some time to kill, but when it comes time, we're gonna go up in there and see what happens. Hopefully we got, and it's crazy because there's actually like a line there. You gotta see that. Like, there's people standing in line. The store done open for 30 minutes, which kind of makes me think like something is really going on in there. Maybe they do got some good steals and deals in there. So I'm definitely gonna check them out. Plus, you know, we got them people. Yeah, I see them people over there, man. I know them people be everywhere. We in here, just had the line. So first thing we're gonna do is hit those size 12s, see what kind of heat they working with. So in here in the Pasadena store, the Nike outlet. Let's see, first thing we have is ACG React Terrors. Actually, I don't think these are too bad. 150, I think they're doing a 20% off sale right now. That's crazy. How this line just blew up in here. Another certain section. They got these elements. $80, 20% off. So we're gonna do this for anybody that's in Houston or Pasadena area. Let's see what these guys got. The Air Max lights. It's not bad. 85 with 20% off. Seems like, yep, some Huaraches. Actually kind of like that colorway. $60, 20% off. Some white Huaraches. $70, 20% off. No checks, but I think these are like some Nike RDs. $40, 20% off. And I do checks. No arch support, so those really do kill my feet. $70, 20% off. More Soldier 12s in the red colorway. They almost got me. I thought these were some 6s in here. They almost got me. Some Soldier 12s promo. I actually like this one with the fly knit, but I don't like that dark green. So kind of wishing that was like a Kelly green. Like with my bike hood, then we definitely would have been on. Yeah, we definitely would have been on with those. Here's some more Soldier 11s. Actually like these. I have a couple of pairs of those myself. If y'all didn't know, y'all know I do mess with the LeBrons. I like the LeBrons. I don't know what's with the green, man. So all these it's on here, it's on this green. So it's got a lot of green in there. What is this? Some more Soldier 12s. 65, 20% off. And navy blue joints, 65, 20% off. So it looks like I found the LeBron section. A lot of 12s that he has. As far as the Jordan section is not pretty much. Got these 312s that I just cannot stand. I absolutely detest those shoes. But I know there's people out there that like those. So more power to you. I can't do it. Jordan 1 high strap 130. No. I'm good on those. Some Jordan KOs, Jordan liftoffs, some fadeaways, formulas, some ultra flies. It's not bad. Some Jordan 1s, the high strap. This looks like a return. This is nice. People, my kings and queens, what is this? Jordan Grind 2. They done took a fire red 5 and a 4 and ran it over with a truck. And have the nerve to ask for $60 for that. But 20% off on top of that, if you're interested. Jordan 1 Moto. I actually was interested in this. This is $100. I was interested in this because your boy does ride motorcycles. So I feel like this is something that I rock when I ride my motorcycle, ride my bike. Maybe if they have it in all black. Who knows? But it's $100, 20% off. What is this? Jordan 1 box, $90, 20% off. But I'm gonna tell you this, people. I am not a fan of Jordan 1 lows, but they had this one up here. If you guys are interested, $90. There's an 18, 150, 20% off. I actually don't know. How many of you guys out here had those 18s? Had these 18s?
This looks like a B grade with the suede. So I don't know. I might just look like they've been worn, but I might just punt up on this one. Who knows? But 150 with 20% off, I'm not really feeling it. And that's a weird colorway. Superflies, 75. Foam posit cups, $70. We got these React Elements, $80. Some more Air Force 270s, more Reacts. Like those, like some Air Moneys, $80. You guys are interested in those? Cortez, old school gangsters. I actually like this color. $45, so 20% off of that. But once again, here's that gold colorway, $80, 20% off. Then you have the black one, $75, and then you have it's like a white. It's just like fast gray. Air Moneys. These are $60, 20% off. So I want to check those out. And say they're here. Force is high with the strap. I'm over in the 11.5 section now. Some more React Elements, black version. That colorway. Bow fins. The guy that's following my channel has been looking for some bow fins, bro. I don't know what size you are, but here's 11.5, $95, 20% off. I'm in Pasadena. Got the bow fins. So I want to say is might be me and my kicks. I can't remember who is it guy that said he was looking for some bow fins. Remember who that is or what video it was? Hey, comment down below. Let me know. And if it's you, hey, comment down below. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? I'm here all day. Another version of that Fire Red 5 with the mashup. I don't know what the heck they was going on thinking with that. You got Trunners. You know what I'm saying? 75. I actually like the Trunner, man. Had a couple of pair of those back in the day, so definitely liking those Trunners. Just going there. Hey, got the Jumpman Pros. Pittsburgh Steelers colorway. You guys interested in those? And your boy is rocking the Fiori 14s today, man. Boy rocking Fiori 14s. You know, I didn't even do an own foot today. So that's my own foot. And fit check. Hey, my logo on there. Finna start doing some merch. Kingside 23 kicks, man. Hirachis. Not a New York Knicks fan, but they're definitely here if you guys are interested in those. Some more of these Hirachis. It's almost like the ones that I got a couple weeks ago in that colorway. These were like in an army green colorway. I think I would rock them though. And I want to find something that's like an army green. I like these crazy colorways. Got some blazers in here. $35 for some blazers. They say they're doing a 20% off sale, man. So they may be doing 30. Got some Air Max 720 Saturns. These things are already in here. And it's crazy that these are already in the outlet. $70, 20% off. Size 11. Both ends, size 11. Size 11. Where's that guy? Comment down below. Do some stuff for the ladies, man. I don't know what you like. Size 8. Classic Cortez. Look how they just did these, man. Suede velvet. I don't know what it is, but it's crazy how they taking these old school gangsters, and can you guys see that? And they are changing them up, man, just for the ladies, putting a twist on it for the ladies, man. Even this one is like a smooth velvet. I feel like those would be like a one-time wear for the ladies. This is leather, and this is a soft leather too. That leather is plush. For the ladies, they got blazers. We got some nice, some Reacts. Got some nice stuff in here for the ladies, man. Ladies, y'all need some slides for your feet. They got them. My people, bag is secured. When it got a little something. I'll see, and you know, actually, my people, boy, Texas weather is unpredictable, man. I go in there, grab a little something, grab me a couple of shirts. It was all right. It wasn't too much in there, as y'all guys can see. But right when I'm about to leave, it's raining cats and dogs. I'm talking about raining sideways. Like Houston. Really? Seriously? So I wasn't finna go outside or come outside in my 14s. Wasn't finna do it. The bad part about it, I actually started to wear my red Ferraris. That would have been tragic. Just, oh Lord, I don't even want to talk about it. But the boy had to turn around there and go get some slides, man. So that's what I'm rocking with right now. I mean, I actually needed some more anyway, to my daughter, because my daughter done hood out my other ones. But it is what it is. So next mission, man, I gotta go grab me something to eat. It is literally 12:34 and I have not eaten anything, man. I've been up for 6 hours already and it doesn't even feel like it. But the boy gotta go grab something to eat, and then the event starts at 3. I gotta go get something to eat. So your boy is hungry. I've been up way too long. So I'm gonna end this video off. My kings, y'all be sure to stand up, rule your kingdom, and my queens, stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
When stressing me, coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a pusher on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.